Quality, fully supported tours for experienced riders seeking the ultimate adventure touring the real Vietnam.
We have been showing riders the most remote parts of Vietnam for more than a decade, winding roads through jungle-covered mountains, deep gorges and isolated wooden villages where little has changed for hundreds of years. We ride deep into Vietnam's rural, mountainous heart, where many of the roads we ride are almost empty of traffic. And we explore parts of Vietnam that very few other travellers have the opportunity to encounter. Are you ready for the ride of your life?